human, it's not quite right. More unearthly screams from the birds and teams. Once numerous across the land, flocks of 100 looking grand. Now they are increasing rare, and country cries out in care. Can you hear the curlew scream across our great southern land? Ancient wisdom, modern meme, symbol of families hand in hand. They come out and play at night. Daytime camouflage is just right. Standing, crouching by the trees, look close to spot all these. Curlew in flight, meant change on the way, or perhaps an escort after a death day, carrying meaning through the land. Symbol of families hand in hand. Can you hear the curlew scream across our great southern land? Ancient wisdom, modern meme, symbol of families hand in hand. Curlew nest is in the grass, parents threatening all who pass. For 50 days they guard the place, intruders face a hissing chase. Can you hear the curlew scream across our great southern land? Ancient wisdom, modern me, symbol of families hand in hand. Curlew ranges near and far, underneath the southern star, screaming now, iconic sound across Australia for now, still found.